Hi everyone, this is Hermes from Titan Vehicle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you our range of low-bed semi-trailers, from 2 axles all the way up to 6 axles, built for heavy-duty transportation around the world. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more professional transportation solutions and product insights. Alright, let's get started. A low-bed semi-trailer, also known as a lowboy trailer, is specially designed for transporting heavy, oversized, or tall equipment. Compared to a standard flatbed trailer, it features a much lower deck height, allowing higher loads to be transported legally on the road without extra permits. At Titan, we engineer each lowbed to maximize strength and optimize load distribution. Let's start with our 2-axle lowbed semi-trailer. This model is compact, lightweight, but incredibly strong. It's designed for transporting medium-sized equipment, such as excavators, backhoe loaders, or small bulldozers. We use Q345B high-strength steel for the main frame, ensuring the trailer is both durable and light enough to maximize payload efficiency. You can see the heavy-duty mechanical ramp at the rear. Optional hydraulic ramps are also available for even easier loading. The suspension is reinforced to adapt to uneven terrains, and the overall structure provides excellent balance between flexibility and load capacity. If you're running construction or rental operations, this 2-axle model is an efficient and economical choice. Now, moving on to our 3-axle low-bed trailer, one of Titan's best-selling models worldwide. The 3-axle version offers a significant jump in payload capacity, ideal for transporting large construction machinery, such as 20 to 35-ton excavators, heavy rollers, and even some mining equipment. Take a closer look at the main beam. It's fabricated with welded Q345 high-tensile steel, paired with a reinforced gooseneck to evenly distribute heavy loads. Our non-cut side beam design gives extra strength to the overall structure and minimizes the risk of cracking during operation. For the flooring, we use 5mm thick patterned steel plates, providing excellent traction and anti-slip properties for loading heavy equipment. The rear ramps are equipped with double springs or hydraulic lifting systems, making it smooth and safe to load and unload machinery. This trailer is the workhorse for most general contractors, rental companies, and logistics providers. At Titan Vehicle, we understand that every project is different. That's why we offer full customization services to meet your specific transport needs. Whether you need a wider deck, a longer loading platform, a detachable gooseneck, or special axle configurations, our engineering team works closely with you to design and build a trailer that fits your cargo and your business perfectly. We can also customize the paint color, ramp style, suspension type, and even braking systems to match local regulations or personal preferences. Beyond structure, we pay attention to every small detail, from the position of lashing rings to the reinforcement of the landing gear area, to ensure your trailer works exactly the way you need it. In addition, we can integrate advanced features like hydraulic steering systems, self-lifting axles, or air suspension for projects that require exceptional maneuverability and load balancing. If you operate across different regions or in cross-border transport, we also provide customized lighting systems, safety markings, and compliance upgrades to meet specific road regulations in your country. From the first sketch to the final delivery, Titan Vehicle is committed to creating a trailer that is not just strong and durable, but also tailored precisely to your working conditions and cargo challenges. No matter how unique your requirements are, Titan Vehicle is ready to deliver a tailor-made solution that exceeds your expectations. Now, let's take a closer look at our 4-axle low-bed trailer. This model is specifically designed for transporting heavier and taller loads, such as large drilling rigs, oversized generators, wind power components, and heavy mining trucks. To handle these massive cargoes, the 4-axle trailer features a reinforced double main beam structure, strengthened with additional stiffeners to ensure exceptional load-bearing capacity and frame stability. At Titan Vehicle, we pay close attention to axle spacing optimization, not only to balance the cargo weight effectively, but also to ensure compliance with international highway transport regulations. The axles are fitted with premium axle systems and 16-ton brake linings, providing outstanding braking performance even under maximum load conditions. When it comes to the suspension, we offer multiple options, from the multi-leaf spring type to air ride systems, and even hydraulic suspensions, allowing customers to select the best configuration based on their operational needs and road conditions. For enhanced versatility, the trailer's loading platform can be customized with a drop deck design, achieving a lower deck height to accommodate taller machinery like industrial cranes, tower sections, or large excavators. Additionally, the surface is covered with 5 mm thick anti-slip checker plates, ensuring maximum safety during loading and transport. Safety features are integrated throughout. We equip our trailers with full LED lighting systems, heavy-duty side reflectors, and extra support plates under the landing gear to guarantee better durability when parking under heavy loads. These thoughtful details improve operational safety, especially during night driving or in challenging environments. Our 4-axle Lowbed trailer is trusted by infrastructure construction companies, wind energy equipment movers, oilfield service providers, and heavy engineering contractors worldwide. With Titan's 4-axle solution, you are not just transporting heavy cargo, you are moving it safely, efficiently, and legally, even across the most demanding terrains. Titan vehicle, delivering strength, reliability, and customization for your toughest transport challenges. Here's our 6-axle Lowbed trailer, built for extreme heavy haul transportation. With a payload capacity of over 120 tons, it's ideal for moving large mining equipment, industrial modules, and oversized machinery. The trailer features reinforced beams, multi-axle suspension, and optional hydraulic steering for better maneuverability. If you need maximum strength, reliability, and precision on the toughest routes, Titan's 6-axle Lowbed trailer is your ultimate solution. At Titan Vehicle, we offer customized trailer solutions tailored to meet different project needs. With over 20 years of manufacturing experience and more than a decade of export experience, we have built a strong, mature team focused on continuous innovation and strict quality control. Every trailer is crafted with precision, using high-strength materials and undergoing rigorous testing to ensure outstanding performance and durability. Thanks to our relentless pursuit of excellence, Titan Vehicle has earned the trust of customers across Latin America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and many other regions, becoming a recognized and respected brand in the global trailer market. At Titan Vehicle, product quality is always our top priority. We provide a 5-year structural warranty on all our trailers, giving our customers long-term confidence and peace of mind. Before delivery, every Lowbed trailer undergoes a series of rigorous inspections and performance tests to ensure maximum strength, durability, and safety under real working conditions. To guarantee load-bearing performance, we conduct full-capacity load tests on our Lowbed trailers before shipment. Each trailer is loaded with simulated cargo that matches or exceeds its rated payload capacity. We carefully monitor the structural deformation, suspension reaction, and braking performance during the test. Only trailers that pass all load test standards are cleared for delivery, ensuring they can handle the toughest jobs in real-world operations. In addition to load testing, we also perform ramp lifting and lowering tests to verify operational reliability. The mechanical or hydraulic ramps are repeatedly raised and lowered under different conditions to ensure smooth movement, structural strength, and long-term durability. This strict testing process ensures that the loading ramps will perform safely and efficiently even after years of heavy use in the field. Before shipment, every Titan Lowbed trailer undergoes a meticulous protection process to ensure it arrives in perfect condition, even after long ocean transport. First, we apply a layer of anti-corrosion wax coating across the trailer's surface. This protective wax layer helps prevent rust caused by humidity, salty air, and moisture exposure during the shipping journey. The wax creates a tight, flexible barrier that protects all vulnerable points, including joints, corners, and weld seams, ensuring the trailer maintains its structural integrity. In addition to waxing, we also wrap each trailer with high-quality moisture-proof paper. This additional layer not only protects against dampness, but also shields the surface from scratches, abrasions, and minor impacts during loading, unloading, and transit. The wrapping process is carried out carefully by experienced workers to ensure complete coverage, minimizing any risk of exposure to harsh environmental conditions. For customers in tropical, coastal, or rainy regions, these double protection measures are especially important to guarantee the trailer remains rust-free, damage-free, and ready for immediate use upon arrival. With Titan's strict pre-shipment treatment, wax coating plus moisture-proof wrapping, we make sure your trailer is fully safeguarded, delivering peace of mind from our factory to your destination. We also have extensive experience in container loading and shipment optimization. We fully understand how to minimize shipping costs for our customers by using the most efficient stacking and loading methods. Before shipment, our team carefully plans the best stacking solutions, securely nesting the trailers together to occupy the least possible space without causing any damage. By maximizing the use of container or deck space, we help our customers save significantly on freight costs while ensuring that every trailer arrives safely and ready for operation. Dear customers, your Lowbed trailers have been successfully loaded and are now on their way. Please be patient. They'll soon arrive safely in your country. We sincerely hope you have a smooth and pleasant receiving experience, and that our trailers will help your business grow and thrive. I'm Hermes from Titan Vehicle, and thank you so much for following and supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me to have you here. In our next episode, we'll be bringing you a closer look at our fuel tanker trailers, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.